Alright, hello everyone. This is a quick video. I'm going to show you my 2021 Dodge Durango RT with the tow and go package. And this is going to be the exhaust video. I don't know if any of you have been waiting for this one or not, but as I mentioned in previous videos, I did an exhaust mod. And the mod was, I took off the center, that huge mid muffler resonator, got rid of that and put in pipes, 2 Dynomax Race Bullets and an X pipe. But after going online, on YouTube especially, and watching a ton of videos, I come to find out an H pipe is going to be supposedly much better for my application. An H pipe will give you more of that muscle car sound, a deeper growl. An X pipe is more of a European sports car, high raspy noise. So tomorrow I'm going to have this X pipe replaced with an H pipe, and I'll do some before and after clips of the sound, and you guys tell me if there's a difference or not. My shop I go to, I've been using them for many years. He's only gonna charge me like $200 to do the swap. So apparently, from what I've read and seen in videos, like I said, the X pipe is going to give you more horsepower. It's only like 4 to 7 more horsepower on the higher RPM range. But the H pipe will actually give you more torque on the low end. So if you're towing anything or drag racing for that matter, torque is what wins races. You know, off the line, get up and go and towing. So H pipe is going to be a deeper, louder growl, more torque, more throttle response. So I'm excited to see the difference. X pipe is going to be more raspy and higher, barely higher horsepower on the top end. So here's going to be the cold start with my current setup, and we'll do a cold start, and we'll do some more sound videos with the X pipe here in a little bit. So cold start, X pipe.
you.